Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. This video is mostly dedicated to motorcycle riders, but there are a few tips here that can help anyone who intends to inflate their tires at home. So I did quite a bit of research online regarding the best tire inflator gauge. I bought myself Astro AI digital tire inflator with pressure gauge. So this was my first choice, okay? This Astro AI. So this is the tire gauge that I bought from Amazon, Astro AI. It has the most reviews on Amazon, and I was actually very excited to use this, but when it was time for action, I was actually very disappointed with this gauge. Let me show you why I did not like this gauge and what is my solution. Okay, so this is the problem with this Astro AI. So when you try to attach this air chuck, as you can see, it's difficult to get this in. Okay, what you need is this air chuck to have a 90-degree turn. So this is my solution for inflating tires on a motorcycle. Tire Tech. This is a heavy duty tire gauge that I got from Amazon, and I will include the link to this gauge in the description. And let me show you the gauge. So here's the gauge, Tire Tech gauge. This is my solution to inflating tires on a motorcycle. This is the Tire Tech gauge I got from Amazon, and as you can see, it already has a 90-degree air chuck, and with this it will be much easier to attach this air chuck to the valve. Alright guys, I'll show you how to connect this air chuck to the valve. So as you can see, this already has a 90-degree angle here. Okay, so this lever should be straight up, and you press it and now it's secured. So right now I'm seeing about 35. So if I want to increase it to 42, all I have to do is squeeze this lever right here. See? So right now it's 42, right at 42. So let's say you want to reduce the pressure. Okay, so here's the bleed valve. Okay, the bleed valve. Okay, and if you want to pump more, you just squeeze the lever. So that's how you can use this Tire Tech gauge to inflate or deflate, or check your tire pressure. Now, when it's time to remove the air chuck, let me show you how you're going to do that. So for removing this air chuck, you just got to be really quick, and there you go. So guys, thanks for stopping by. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.